cùng nó bà pin nắng kran parang suki pasuki pe yakane kan yarap yapi lada pio chingman toy na kani ka video nam klet pan page step by step nang bà pin yo chingman toy na kani ka video nam klet ro pan share lam shikip lak lane haying hasen chongpi nam klet ro ban like share and subscribe. Every people want to know kasi man la ubriu ugwa bantit, but very few people want to learn kasi hanrei tang khandiet kibriu kibakwa banang. The problem we face is kasi kaching bangi syam kalongba. We understand what people saying kasi ni sngeu tho ka ba kibriu kiang. But we don't know how to talk kasi hanrei nghiêng tiếp cũng nó nhìn kren. Everyone face this problem kasi man la uway pa uway umat ni kichin but not all kasi hanrei ombara. Where are you kasi shano pidon. I'm on the way kasi ngadang don halenti. What time will you reach there kasi kano baje pinpoy shito. What's the time now kasi kano baje anta. Do you know him kasi pi ito yo. Yes, I know him kasi haoy nga ito yo. Then why don't you talk to him kasi balaipat kren yo. I don't see him kasi ngam yo yo. Oh, I thought you don't want to talk him kasi ngadang muốn him quá ban kren yo. I don't want to be like that kasi ngam quá ban long cùng ta. I respect him kasi nga buram yo. He used to help me kasi usya yarap yanga. I feel like he is my brother kasi nasngeu ulong kum upara jonga. Yesterday I called you kasi menin nga call yapi. Why don't you pick my call kasi balay pi klem shimbang nga call. I fell asleep early last night kasi nga yothya kaloy menin. I feel like I'm nothing kasi nga sngew ba ngam long ai. I did not expect it kasi nga klem community. Let them understand kasi I can sngew thoy. I don't want to disturb them kasi ngam quá ban pen thot pi. I hope they will understand my feeling kasi nga kamen in snèo thố ya cả chính snèo trong ngà.